How to turn off auto rotate on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up any application on your phone. For example, Safari. Once you're here, turn your iPhone sideways to rotate the screen. Rotate it back to portrait mode and swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Over here, tap the portrait orientation lock icon, a lock with a circular arrow, to toggle it on. When the icon is highlighted, the screen is locked in portrait orientation. When it is not highlighted, the screen is not locked and free to rotate. Now, simply turn your iPhone sideways to check if you can view the app in landscape mode. As you can see, the screen does not rotate. Following these steps, you can easily turn off auto rotate on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.